Cockatiels are known for their ability to mimic sounds. And with a bit of patience and training, you can teach yours to sing all your favorite songs. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make your cockatiel a singing superstar. So let's dive right in. Play recordings. Start by playing your cockatiel recordings of songs that you want it to learn. Play the recordings often. And make sure to focus on the parts of the song that you want your cockatiel to mimic. Sing the songs to it. Once your cockatiel starts to show interest in the recordings, start singing the songs to it yourself. Again, focus on the parts that you want your cockatiel to learn. Be patient. Be patient and consistent with your training. It may take some time for your cockatiel to learn the songs, but with time and effort, it will be singing like a star in no time. Quiet environment. Make sure your cockatiel is in a quiet environment when you are training it. Distractions can make it difficult for your cockatiel to focus. Reward your cockatiel. Reward your cockatiel with treats or praise when it sings the songs correctly. This will help to reinforce the behavior. Keep practicing. Don't get discouraged if your cockatiel doesn't learn the songs right away. Just keep practicing, and eventually it will get there. Remember, patience and consistency are key when it comes to training your feathered friend. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other parrot enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.